Did you know that portion control could be more effective than daily gym workouts when it comes to fat loss? That's right, friends. We're often led to believe that losing weight boils down to no pain, no gain. But the truth is, managing what you eat and how much of it can play an even bigger role. So if you're seeking to shed some pounds, stay tuned to explore actionable portion control tips that could speed up your fat loss journey. Welcome to One of One, your ultimate guide to a healthier life. We're here to empower you with knowledge and strategies for a balanced, vibrant lifestyle. At One of One, we believe in the power of informed choices. Today we're debunking myths and delivering facts about portion control and fat loss. So, what makes portion control so powerful in the battle against extra pounds? Let's delve into the science behind it. You see, our bodies are like complex machines, and food is the fuel. When we consume more fuel than we need, the excess is stored as fat. This is where portion control steps in. By managing the amount of food, or fuel, we consume, we can avoid overloading our bodies, thus preventing that excess fat storage. Now let's talk about calories. You've probably heard the term calorie deficit. It's a state where you burn more calories than you consume, and it's crucial for weight loss. Picture it like a balance scale. On one side, we have the calories you consume, and on the other, the calories you burn. To tip the scale towards weight loss, we either need to increase our physical activity or consume fewer calories. Here, portion control plays a pivotal role. By controlling the amount of food we eat, we can effectively reduce our calorie intake, pushing us into that desired calorie deficit. But it's not just about weight loss. Portion control also has a profound impact on our overall health. When we overeat, we put stress on our digestive system, which can lead to a plethora of health issues, including heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. By practicing portion control, we can help alleviate this stress, promoting better digestion and overall health. And let's not forget about the psychological benefits. Overeating often leads to feelings of guilt and discomfort, while portion control can help us feel more in control and satisfied after meals. It's a way of eating mindfully, being fully aware of what and how much we're consuming. So what makes portion control so powerful in the battle against extra pounds? It's simple. Portion control helps us manage our calorie intake, promotes better health, and fosters a healthier relationship with food. But how can you incorporate portion control into your daily life? Let's discover some practical tips. Implementing portion control doesn't have to be a daunting task. Here are some easy-to-follow tips. First, let's talk about the magic of smaller plates. It might sound too simple to be true, but using a smaller plate can trick your brain into thinking you're eating more than you actually are. This is because a smaller plate makes a portion of food appear larger and therefore more satisfying. So switch out your dinner plates for salad plates and watch the magic happen. Next, consider drinking a glass of water before your meals. Not only does this keep you hydrated, which is crucial for overall health, but it also helps to fill your stomach a bit before you start eating. This can help to curb your appetite and prevent overeating. Now let's shift our focus to the food itself. Including more vegetables in your meals is an excellent strategy for portion control. Vegetables are low in calories but high in fiber and volume. This means they can help you feel full without eating a large number of calories. Try to fill half your plate with vegetables at each meal to reap the benefits. Understanding food labels is another crucial aspect of portion control. It's important to know that the serving size listed on a food label may not be the amount you're used to eating. For example, if a bag of chips says it contains 2 servings, but you eat the whole bag, you've actually consumed twice the calories listed. So, get into the habit of checking food labels and measuring your servings accordingly. Another tip is to eat mindfully. This means really paying attention to what you're eating, rather than mindlessly snacking in front of the TV. When you eat mindfully, you're more likely to notice when you're full and stop eating, rather than continuing to eat just because there's food left on your plate. And finally, don't forget about the importance of consistency. Like any new habit, portion control takes time to implement. It's okay if you don't get it perfect right away. The key is to keep trying, and over time it will become second nature. In conclusion, portion control is a powerful tool for weight loss and overall health. By using smaller plates, drinking water before meals, including more vegetables in your diet, understanding food labels, and eating mindfully, you can easily manage your portions and maintain a healthy diet. Remember, the key to success with portion control is consistency. So, there you have it. The power of portion control and how to make it work for your fat loss journey. We've taken a deep dive into the world of portion control, shedding light on the shocking truth about its importance in weight management. We've also explored practical and actionable tips that you can start implementing today, from using smaller plates to understanding food labels and incorporating mindful eating practices. Remember, portion control is not about depriving yourself. It's about understanding what your body needs and striking a healthy balance. It's about learning to enjoy your favorite foods in moderation and establishing a healthier relationship with food. It's a simple yet powerful tool that can significantly contribute to your fat loss journey. This is not a one-size-fits-all approach, but with patience and consistency, you can tailor it to your unique needs and lifestyle. The power is in your hands. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to One of One. Your support helps us create more content like this. And don't forget to comment below about your experience with portion control. We'd love to hear your thoughts and stories. Let's embark on this journey to a healthier life together.